Good day, class. Today we are going to make a beaded bag, and it's going to be slightly different because I'm using a big round bead. I'm using two sizes, size 16 and size 14. And I'm also going to use my 1.0 mm fishing line. So yeah, let's begin. So we'll start with the usual cut fishing line. So now take 4 beads, add all 4 on any of the fishing line. It could be your left, it could be your right. Interlock the 4th bead. So we've done 1, and then since the beads are big, we're just going to do the length will just be 2. So once to finish this line, so just take 3 beads, add all 3 to your left fishing line, interlock the 3rd bead. So we have this. So we have 3. Now we want to start a new line. So how do we do that? The same left fishing line, you take 3 beads and then you interlock the 3rd bead. Let's try and lock mine. This is a lot, but I did that. The other fishing line, which is my right, will go to the next bead. Please, if you're a beginner, don't try this. It's difficult to manage. So let's see if I can hide the knots better. Okay. Now let's finish the base of the bag. So to finish it, just take 2 beads and then interlock the 2nd bead. I'm using a 1.0 because I want my bag to be very strong. Very strong. So I've done that. Now we want to start building the body of the bag. So how do we do that? We take 3 beads, add all 3 to the left, interlock the 3rd bead, and then make sure it's up like how it is now, and then lower fishing line will go to the next bead of that. So now to continue, you take 2 beads, add both beads to the left, interlock the 2nd bead, lower fishing line will go to the next bead. So one more time, add 2 beads to the left, interlock the 2nd bead, lower fishing line will go to the next bead. So I'm going to do the rest of come until I get to this side, and then after that we'll do the next line, then come back to see what's next. So yeah, that's basically you continue with this method. Okay, so I've reached my desired place. Now let's continue. Lower fishing line will go to the next 2 beads, 1 and 2. Please make sure your hand is also make sure you also pull your fishing line. Like make sure it's tight. Make sure your hand is tight. So take one bead and interlock, and we'll finish the first step. Now we want to start the second line. And how do we start? Take 3 beads again, add all 3 to the left, interlock the third bead, then lower fishing line, and go to the next bead. Do that one more time. Take 2 beads, add both beads to the left, interlock the second bead, lower fishing line, and go to the next bead. So you're going to continue to do this till you get your desired length, or sorry, your desired height. So I'm going to keep doing this till I get to my desired height. So okay, so we're at the last place. So just pass your lower fishing line to the next 2 beads, and then take 1 bead, and then interlock the 1 bead. I'm done with the body of the bag. Now I want to do the handle of the bag, and I'm using the size 14 white spoon, but the one for gel fishing line is too big for this bead, so I'm going to use 0.8 instead. So now I'm just going to pass. Okay, so let's start from here. Just going to pass this round. So done that. Then now I want this to come. So I've done that. Now we're going to have this something like, let me cut off this piece. This. So this is why this is 2. I'm kind of limited to the handle that I want to do, but let's see what I can do. So I'm just going to arrange the white beads. So you arrange your beads. I don't know how many you need, but just arrange according to the length that you want to do. So I'm going to just off camera. Let's just quickly do that. So 1 or 2 more is fine. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, now it's looking to look. So let's just roll one. We've done that. Now let's go to the other side. Like this. Divide your fishing line. No, put it together, of course. One side will go. So I'm going to pass this round and then lock it or tie.